I'm going to go to Kiama today, so that'll be exciting. I think the weather's going to be pretty good, so the blowhole at Kiama might not be doing anything, but we shall see. So it begins. There was a big party there yesterday. Oops, shut the door. Gotta shut the door. Keep it nice. Thank you, room, for keeping me safe. So see. Yeah, this is going to be a boring video. Anyway, there's a party there yesterday. See, they had a good time. They're super friendly though, so, you know, that's cool. I got to get some sunglasses, some cheap ones. I only ever buy cheap I'll take this out so I can hear myself. I only ever buy cheap sunglasses, ones that work, but just not fancy brands, because if I lose them, then I'll get upset. But I must have lost my cool little peachy pink ones, custom made from a company, but custom made like 20 bucks. But the lenses are good. They don't. Have you heard the conspiracy about sunglasses? It's one parent company, they own all of them, and that way they jack up the price, like they own Oakley, Ray-Bans, all of the... Anyway, I'm gonna go get glasses. You don't need to know this. Check that out, $12, TK Maxx. I lost my $20 glasses, now I got $12 ones. Look, blue, blue, blue. Well, Toto, we definitely left Sydney now. This is beautiful. Just imagine the people who built these. And yes, I'm off the line in case a random train that no one's aware of comes through. Pretty cool. Imagine living here. Something I've noticed, I have yet to see anyone sitting on their balcony. I think people are, it's like a home gym, right? Oh, when I get this balcony, I'm going to sit here all the time. And then eventually just mundane routine kicks in. I think these two might be a bit lost. There's not many waves in this inlet. Beautiful. Just talking to a little old lady. She was in one of those scooters, mobility scooters. She's lived here her whole life. I said, where should I go? What's beautiful? She goes, it's all beautiful. Oh, I feel like in the Scottish Highlands. You English scum, you come up here to Scotland and you think you can control me. I am from the Wallace clan, and we don't take kindly to threats here. By the way, I am one side of my family from the Wallace clan. But I doubt I'm related to William Wallace. Chances are my ancestors probably took a bribe and sold him out. That's why he got drawn and quartered. Who knows, I don't want to defame people I never met. They did not. They fought to keep him safe. Oh, it's a mystery to me. We have agreed, on which we have agreed. We think you have to want more than you need. Until you have it all, you won't be free. I don't mind building a house there. There's be no one right next to me with a fucking leaf blower at 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, it's pretty cool. Oh, look at the train. That's awesome. That's my mode of transport to get around most of the time. This is a pretty cool place to live. Like, I mean, it's a little terrible place to swim. Let's go down and check it out.
So I've been going about 6 hours. I've still got maybe another hour and a half, 2 hours to go. This day's going a lot longer than I expected. I've been stopping a lot, sightseeing, detours. It's worth it. There's the train line. Here's the beach. When there's big storms, they worry that the train line will get wiped out. There was a little kid. There's this posh area on the shore, right on the water, cliffs, and they were saying, oh, the houses are crumbling and the government needs to do something. So now 30 years later, the new rich people have bought the houses, going, oh, the houses are crumbling, the government needs to do something. Hey, how about you don't buy a house on a fucking crumbling cliff? It's been happening for 50 years, dickhead. So I made it to Kiama, and what a perfect way to finish, outside the alcohol free zone sign. That'll do.